Porsche appoints new design chief. A shift towards combustion and continuity, Porsche has named Tobias Suhlmann as its new head of design, effective February 1st, replacing Michael Maurer. This appointment marks a key moment for the brand, signaling potential shifts in design direction while leveraging established leadership ties. A veteran designer with broad experience, Suhlmann, 46, brings extensive experience from across the automotive landscape. His resume includes significant roles at Volkswagen, where he worked on the acclaimed Arteon, Bentley, contributing to the striking Batter, Bugatti, Aston Martin, and 2 separate stints at McLaren. Notably, he served as Chief Design Officer at McLaren before returning to Porsche. This diverse background suggests a designer capable of adapting to various brand aesthetics and engineering demands. Leadership continuity with McLaren ties the appointment is particularly interesting because Suhlmann previously worked with Porsche's recently appointed CEO, Michael Laters, at McLaren. Their existing professional relationship implies a streamlined transition and a shared vision for the future of Porsche design. This synergy could accelerate development and ensure consistency in the brand's direction. Design challenges ahead. Balancing electric and combustion engines, Suhlmann's immediate tasks include overseeing the development of several key models. These include a new combustion engine crossover designed to complement the electric Macan, as well as a larger 3-row SUV initially planned as fully electric, but now launching with a hybrid powertrain. Porsche's commitment to reviving gas-powered sports cars with inline-6 engines means Suhlmann will likely play a crucial role in shaping their aesthetics. Porsche is at an inflection point, and having a design leader with a proven track record across multiple high-performance brands is a strategic move, says industry analyst Klaus Schmidt. The future of Porsche design, while the electric 718's design is largely finalized, Suhlmann's influence will be most visible in upcoming ICE models. His appointment suggests Porsche intends to balance its electric ambitions with a continued investment in traditional combustion technology, appealing to enthusiasts while navigating the evolving automotive market. The appointment of Tobias Suhlmann represents a calculated move by Porsche to maintain design momentum, leverage existing leadership connections, and prepare for a future where both electric and combustion engines coexist. His broad experience suggests a designer well-equipped to navigate this complex landscape.